Hey guys, what's going on? Living Day Girl here. Sorry I hadn't made a video in a while, but I got a box from Your Toy Box. Open these. I've opened a couple of these on here, but now I got another one, so I'm gonna open it with my niece, who's right here. Who wants me to open the box?
Yeah.
You want me to open the box, Marilyn?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Are you excited for the box?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's see what we got. You want to see what we got? Huh? Sorry I have not made videos in a while. I have been super busy with work. But, like I said, got a box here. Let's see what we got. You want to see what we got?
Yeah.
Okay. So we got... Ooh, the lighting is really bad here. Okay. So we got first... Ooh! It says Little Miss Sunshine. From Mr. Ken Little Miss. Or Mr. Ken Little Miss. Got this Little Miss Sunshine. I cannot remember where these are from though. I know it's 80s, maybe early 90s. That's cool, right, Marilyn? Okay, you can have it. You can have it. She wants everything. Let's see what else we got. Ooh, we got... This is Tweety Bird. Tweety Bean Bag. Tweety B Bean Bag. Oh, it's a little Tweety Bird in a bee outfit. That is so cute. It's by Tweety's Enchanted Garden by Warner Brothers Studios. That is pretty cool. Isn't that cool, Marilyn? Look who that is. Who's that?
Monkey.
Not a monkey. This is Tweety Bird.
Huh?
Tweety Bird.
Uncle Gama. Uncle Gama.
Wait, stay right there. You want to see what else we got?
Yeah.
Okay. Got a couple comics here. Ooh. Anu Yang. Number 1, first edition. I've not seen this. First edition. Either I might keep it and read it, or I might put it in a... It looks like... Approved by the Comics Code. Charlton Comics. I think it's from 1973. That's pretty cool. So we got that. What else we got? Ooh. What are you? I do not know where this little guy's from. He looks so familiar. Ooh. Ooh. That was from a show on Cartoon Network. I don't know. If you know, comment below what he's from, because I really don't know. Ooh, look at that, Marilyn. No, you can't have this one. So I'm gonna, oops, display him there. Godzilla Phil. Okay. I got another comic in here. A couple other stuff. Ooh, I saw a movie. Ooh, a game. Aliens. Colonial Marines. It's a game. What a game. Aliens. Aliens. Ooh. It's not a book. It's a game. Game. For Xbox 360. Yes, I do have an Xbox 360. That I hardly ever played. I really want to play that Mortal Kombat. I think it's only on the Xbox One and PS4. Got another comic. Cyberforce. Cyberforce number 13. I think I have one of these already. Not this one, but another one. I really do need to update my Your Toy Box, because they're sending me things that kind of do like, kind of don't like. Probably need to update it. We got one more thing. Ooh, another Rugrats. I had an Angelica, but my niece took it. So this is Dilly. Looks like a dill. Looks like a little dill. I love the Rugrats. Who's that? Baby.
No,
You don't want him?
yeah.
Okay. He's gonna go up there somewhere. Yeah, he doesn't stay up there. Ooh. Really? I used to love these books. Waldo, where is Waldo? Where's Waldo? Waldo. He's gonna go up there with the rest of them. So yeah, I really do need to update it. I think that's it. Okay, so a little recap. Ooh, I didn't even see this. Got a little Mario pin. Awesome. So we got Cyberforce number 13, Yang number 1, Aliens Colonial Marines for Xbox 360, Tweety B, Beanbag, Mario Button, Rugrats Still Figure, Funko, Vinyl Pocket God. So I guess that's what it is, a Pocket God. Is that it? That has to be it. It's a Funko. It's my Funko. Wow. Vinyl Little Miss Sunshine and a Waldo PVC. So that's pretty much all we got in this box. I did get my horror block for April, so I'll be posting that in a couple minutes. Until then, I'll see y'all guys later. Marilyn, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Marilyn. I think she's kind of shy. Say bye-bye. Say night-night. Okay, she says bye-bye.
Huh?
Anyway, thanks again for watching, guys, and I will see y'all soon. Bye.